Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm revealing again, UMIDIGI have launched another smartphone. It's called the UMIDIGI Power. So within the last 6 or 8 months I've had the UMIDIGI F1, UMIDIGI F1 Play, the UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and now the UMIDIGI Power. UMIDIGI have a giveaway on at the moment with links in the description below. I think there's a few days left. So jump down there, make sure you enter for your chance to win an UMIDIGI Power. If you don't want to enter the competition, then there's also a link down in the description with a link to AliExpress. That is their official shop on there, and that's where they're selling the UMIDIGI Power. It's on sale now for around $160. I think normal retail price will be $199. So at the moment, you're going to save quite a lot of money. So what do you get in the UMIDIGI Power? So power means, well, it's supposed to mean great battery life, a big battery, 5,150 milliamps in fact. And they still managed to keep the phone relatively thin. It's 8.8mm thick with that huge battery inside. It's also powered by the fairly new Helio P35 processor, 12nm chip. So there'll be less heat and also low power consumption with this chip. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It ships with the latest stock Android 9, Android Pie. It's got global bands, dual 4G LTE, and you can connect to any mobile network in the world. So the Power has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus water drop display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080p and has a 92.7% screen to body ratio. I mean, the stock images and the design do look pretty good, and I'll hopefully be getting my hands on one of these as well. The camera, 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dual camera with f1.8 aperture. It's a nice large aperture, and the front facing camera is 16 megapixel as well. So that's what you're getting with the new UMIDIGI Power. A great price. If you want to jump over to AliExpress and purchase one, then go ahead. I'm not affiliated with AliExpress by any means, but go over to their shop. That's their official shop now where you can purchase it. And also don't forget the giveaway. There's a few days left on the giveaway. You may as well just have a go. Make a couple of entries if you can. And fingers crossed you win the UMIDIGI Power. And hopefully very soon I'll have the UMIDIGI Power on the channel so we can have a full unboxing and review. But until then guys, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.